If you want to cancel your Etsy subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Access subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions or Billing section. Click on this option to view all active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the specific subscription you wish to cancel. There should be an option to manage or cancel the subscription. Click on it to proceed to the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback or confirm your decision. Make sure to complete this step to ensure your subscription is officially cancelled. After completing these steps, your Etsy subscription will be cancelled. Remember to check your email for a confirmation message regarding the cancellation.